A young man has died after his quad bike crashed into a lamp post. The tragedy happened in the Knightwood area of Glasgow yesterday and the 27-year-old was pronounced dead at the scene. Emergency services were alerted to the crash on Archer Hill Road before 5 p.m. A spokeswoman for the force said, police were called to a report that a man was seriously injured after coming off his quad bike and crashing into a lamp post near the BMX track on Archer Hill Road, Knightswood, Glasgow around 4:50 p.m. on Thursday, November 28, 2019. Emergency services attended, however, a 27-year-old man was pronounced dead at the scene. The road closed until 10:15 p.m. but officers carried out an investigation into the incident. For more on this story, visit the news article link.